Delighted to see the top-up tap coming here to the Science Centre. It's such a lovely, busy public space. Reducing plastic is so important. Here in Glasgow we've got a plastic reduction strategy. We're looking at all the ways that we can help people and businesses to phase out single-use plastic. Thinking about drinking water, thinking about using top-up taps rather than single-use plastic bottles is such an important part of that strategy.
It's fantastic to be working in partnership with the Glasgow Science Centre and to be able to have installed the top-up tap, especially before COP26. We've had people from all over the world that's been able to taste our great tasting water. Working with the Glasgow Science Centre, we're able to serve the people of Glasgow, families and all the school children as well, and it's such a fantastic location.